Before the world fully wakes, the forest is already alive. Light slowly touches the treetops, a gentle golden kiss that promises a new day. Then it trickles down inch by inch through layers of leaves until it finally dapples the forest floor. Mist hangs in the air like a quiet breath, softening the edges of every tree and stone. The day begins not with a roar, but with soft whispers. The first bird call, a clear, solitary note that hangs in the still air. The rustle of unseen leaves as a small creature stirs from its slumber. The gentle drip of dew from a fern, each drop a tiny, perfect sphere. This is dawn in the forest, the sacred moment when life quietly opens its eyes. It's a time of pure potential, a canvas painted with mist and shadow, waiting for the sun to bring it to life. The air is cool and smells of damp earth, of moss, and of the sweet decay that fuels new growth. Each creature, no matter how small, plays its part in nature's quiet orchestra, contributing to the gentle, unfolding energy of the new day. If you pause and look closely, the forest tells stories that most people walk right past. The intricate patterns on tree bark are like fingerprints, recording years of growth, struggle, and survival. You can trace the lines of a lightning strike or see where a branch was lost to a winter storm. Tiny plants, no bigger than your thumb, stretch desperately toward the light, their leaves angled perfectly to catch every precious ray, a silent testament to the fight for a chance to thrive. Moss grows like a soft green velvet blanket over fallen logs, transforming decay into new life, creating a miniature world for insects and fungi. Every small detail is part of the forest's vast memory, a reminder that even the smallest, most overlooked things matter deeply. A single feather caught on a branch tells of a bird's passing. A footprint in the mud reveals who walked this path before you. The forest is a living library, its stories written in bark, soil, and stone, waiting for a patient reader. Follow the sound of moving water and you'll find the forest's heartbeat. Most animals retreat to the cool shade of the deep woods, resting through the brightest, warmest hours of the day. Midday in the forest is not about frantic activity. It's about balance and conservation. It's a time for stillness, a deep, collective inhale. This peaceful interlude serves as a powerful reminder that rest is not idleness, but a natural and essential part of life's rhythm. The forest shows us that it's okay to pause, to recharge, to simply be before the energy of the afternoon begins to build once more. As the afternoon unfolds, the forest begins to wake again from its midday slumber. A welcome breeze sweeps through the branches, a collective sigh that rustles the leaves and carries seeds and scents across the air. The birds return to their foraging, their calls now more sporadic, more purposeful. Insects click, hum, and buzz with renewed energy. The quality of the light changes. It filters through the canopy in long, golden rays, painting the forest floor with shifting patterns of warmth and shadow. The world feels softer, bathed in a gentle, honeyed glow. The day is moving gently but surely toward its end, and the forest flows with it. A graceful transition from the peak of the sun to the approach of evening. There's a sense of productivity, but it's unhurried. Life continues its work, preparing for the coming night, all in its own time. This is the golden hour in the woods, a time of quiet beauty and gentle activity. Slowly, inevitably, the light begins to fade. The golden hour melts away, and the shadows, which had shrunk at midday, now stretch long and dark, blending into the quiet corners of the woods. The animals make their final movements before nightfall. A rabbit nibbles on clover at the edge of a clearing. A fox slips like a shadow through the trees. The sky, visible in patches through the canopy, shifts through a palette of soft colors. Warm amber, cool blue, and a hint of deep purple at the horizon. The forest feels different, now profoundly peaceful, but also expectant. The air cools quickly, carrying the scent of the coming night. Dusk is a moment of transition, a magical in-between time. It's a quiet farewell to the day, a soft and gentle reminder that every beginning has an ending, and every ending is just the start of something new. And then night arrives. The last vestiges of light disappear, and the forest grows still again, settling into a different kind of life. The sounds of the day are replaced by the sounds of the night. The steady, rhythmic chirping of crickets fills the air. A distant owl calls its voice a soft, haunting echo in the darkness. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves, a sound that seems louder now in the profound quiet. The warm glow of day is completely gone, replaced by the cool, silvery shadows of moonlight, if it can find its way through the dense canopy. Yet, even in the deep darkness, the forest is never lifeless. It simply changes its rhythm. Life continues quietly, unseen, a world of nocturnal creatures moving through the shadows, waiting patiently for the first light of morning to return. Every single day, the forest repeats this beautiful, timeless rhythm, a cycle of waking, living, resting, and dreaming. It's a powerful reminder of how simple, how peaceful, and how deeply connected life can be if we just slow down and listen. Thank you for spending this day in the forest with me.